Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and I'm gonna show you how to take a partial screenshot on this phone. Basically, if you want to take a screenshot only of the part of the screen, not the whole one. So first let's go to the page we want to capture. For example, let's open the browser and open some web page. And now let's say you want to take a screenshot only of the part of the page. You can do it by pressing 3 fingers on the screen like this. And once you see this pop up, you can swipe up or down to select the part of the screen you want to take a picture of. And then you can release it and it will basically take a screenshot of the part of the picture right here. And you can also customize it a bit. You can move it up and down, left and right, so you can make it smaller, make it bigger, the area. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and the screenshot should be taken. So if we go to photos, here we have a screenshot of the part of our picture. You can also do this bit roundabout way. So basically, if you decide to take a screenshot by just pressing, let's say, power button and the lower volume button together, you can then tap on this preview right here. It will open the editing of the screenshot, and now you can select the part of the picture you want to capture, and then you can tap on the check mark, and it will also take a screenshot of that part of the screen. So if you go back to screenshots folder, here we have it. Okay, and that's how you take the partial screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.